We prefer the parents because the parents and the teachers work together for the better future of a child. If you work together, the future of the child will be brighter. So our chief guest is now the mother of Ahmad bin Amir. So please put your hands for the mother of Ahmad bin Amir, the proud student of LGGS. Here we have invited the two chief guests, Hira Sajid, the topper of the girls branch LGGS. We have invited the parents of Hira Sajid. So please put your hands together for Hira Sajid, the topper of LGGS from girls branch, a proud student, a brilliant student of LGGS. Now we have invited the parents of Hira Sajid and the parents of Ahmad bin Amir, the toppers of LGGS. So please give him a big stand of applause. The parents of the topper. Put your hands together for the parents, the proud parents. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a proud moment for all of us that Madam Salwa Awan and Sir Zulfikar, our respectable parents-like figures, personality, they started this institution some 25 years before, and now it has become a grown-up tree, an established tree, and it has been providing the quality education to the locality. So please put your hands together for Sir Zulfikar and Madam Salma Awan. Now it's a proud moment for all of us that our great principal, honor principal, Madam Salma Awan has been awarded Hilal Imtiaz for her literary work by the government of Pakistan. So please put your hands together for the esteemed, honorable and respectable personality, a mother-like personality, Madam Salma Awan. The government has appreciated and the government has given her the award of Hilal Imtiaz. Thank you so much. Now our brilliant students will proceed the function. So please put your hands together again for LGGS, a pride, a symbol of excellence. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
I would like to invite my friend Abdul Rafi for the recitation of Holy Quran, Tilawat Quran Majid.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارد من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. Translation. So that you too, O men, might never transgress the measure of what is right. Weigh, therefore, your deeds with equity and cut not the measure short. And the earth has He spread out for all living beings. With the fruit thereon, palm trees with sheaves cluster of dates, and grain growing tall on its stalks, and sweet-smelling plants. Which of your Lord's blessings can you deny? He has created man out of sounding clay like poetry, whereas the invisible beings He has created out of confusing flame of fire. He is the sustainer of the two farthest points of sunrise and the sustainer of the two farthest points of sunset. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful. My name is Talha Fareed.
And I am Ayan Kashif.
We are not here to play, to dream, to drift. We have work to do and Lord to lift.
Honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum to all of you, and we welcome you warmly on behalf of LGGS.
LGGS, a symbol of excellence. LGGS is proud to serve the locality with devotion, commitment, and dedication. It's a great honor for LGGS. Yes, sir?
Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, the topper, Hira Sajid, the topper of LGGS, Hira Sajid, now her parents, the parents of Hira Sajid have come. So please welcome the parents of Hira Sajid, the topper of LGGS from Girls Branch. Thank you so much. Welcome to LGGS, welcome to the function. Thank you.
Hello.
In this prize distribution ceremony, we have invited the parents of Ahmed bin Amir and Hira Sajid. Ahmed got 1,173 marks in Lahore board examination, and Hira got 1,176 marks in Lahore board examination. These are the people to be inspired by. Put your hands together for both of them.
Now, Ma'am Salik is coming to present Yuana Sharif.
Sallallahu alayhi ya Rasool Allah wa sallam alayka ya Habibillah. हुजूर मेरी तो सारी बहार आपसे है, हुजूर मेरी तो सारी बहार आपसे है। मैं बेकरार था, मेरा मरार आपसे है, हुजूर मेरी तो सारी बहार कहाँ सुनहरी जालियों में यार वार आपसे है। मैं बेकरार था मेरा करार आपसे है। हुजूर मेरी तो सारी बहार आपसे है।
MashaAllah.
Now, I ask all the guests to stand up to honor our national anthem. कौमी तिरंगे के खिलाफ में अब सबसे खड़े होने की दरख्वास्त है।